Good afternoon. It's Washworks, and I was supposed to do a lot of things this morning. Not even a lot of things. I was supposed to go to a E30 call meet in Queens, but I woke up late and a lot of things has happened and I couldn't get to go. I really wanted to record that to show y'all all the nice cars that Queens has to offer, that New York City has to offer in terms of, you know, the German E-chassis, if that's what you call it, E30, E36, E46, M3 chassis, you know, all that stuff. And I really wanted to showcase that, but woke up late, unfortunately. This last night was a long night. But today we got a couple things planned. I'm gonna show y'all a couple things, you know, take y'all around the Bronx, and yeah. Right now, driving the Accord. Unfortunately, my clutch pedal bracket is broken. Yeah. The bracket right there to your left is broken. The welds broke off, so I'm really just driving off of the master cylinder right now until I get it rewelded. I see a clutch pedal on eBay that I would like to buy to replace this one, and hopefully it comes before this thing gives out on me again. That would be my third clutch pedal if I order that one on eBay. This is my second one, and this is rewelded. But last time I got it welded, it was stick welded by a guy, and I'm telling him like, yo, I want it to be MIG welded, because the stick weld is not, yeah, it can do its thing, but I feel like it's not for the right application to be welding my clutch pedal. But I needed it, and he was available at the time, so I was like, I feel, let me just get this done and call it a day. And it's been holding up ever since up till now, and that was like, what, 2-3 months ago. So yeah, when I take out the clutch pedal, if I do get it welded today, I will show you guys what it looks like, and see the atrocity that I've put together. And yeah, but let's get the day started. Yeah. So this is a POV cam of me driving in the Bronx. Yeah. And my clutch pedal bite point is so low right now. But yeah, this is Uptown Bronx. See a lot of vibration in the cameras because I got solid mounts. So yeah, it's hot. It's hot. Let me open this window. Alright, so I've reached my destination, and lo and behold, I am at the famous 36 that has been parked for so long. And you know, so for those who don't know, I have a 94 36 325i that I bought from a guy that owned the shop, and it was automatic originally. And you know, E36 is my dream car. Like, you could do anything to this car, and this chassis looks so good. So I was like, yo, I want it. They didn't really have the money at the time, so I had to pay him overtime to get the car. And you know, it should be, you know, shit hard. But I really wanted the car because It's been my dream car. Before all the E36 hype and all that shit, it's been my dream car, right? Dream car since high school. And got the car, and it's just been sitting. Because I did not want to drive a car automatic. I wanted to do manual swap because I wanted to be my project car. But, you know, let it sit for a really long time, unfortunately, because, you know, times is hard. And it's not only that, like, it's also my fault too, like being lazy and not wanting to fix the car, not wanting to work on the car. And I can't say I didn't have the help, because I had the help. If I really wanted it, I can get the help from anybody who's willing to help. And people's ask me, yo, when you about to work on the E36? When you about to work on the E36? And you know, yeah, so this is it. This has been becoming a long-term project, I suppose, because as I'm unfolding the car little by little, I'm seeing things here and there that, you know, needs a little bit more work. As you can see, rust. And manual swap is pretty much done, but still some things here and there that I need to do. Like, I need to connect this hose to the reservoir and then bleed everything, and yeah, put a new injector in it. It can pretty much start soon. I just don't know what I'm waiting on. Well, I'm waiting on a throttle cable, for real. Throttle cable right here is fucked, so I want to get a new throttle cable. I mean, it's not that expensive, but, you know, bills and all that shit is, I gotta wait till a certain time to be able to pay for it and whatnot. And then the whole floor is rusted, but I see that they sell a floor on this website where I can cut out this whole shit and put a whole new floor in it. So yeah, one of these days I can get it up and running and shit. One of these days. And then, as you can see, I need a new seat and seat bracket, so I need to order that. I have a new shifter lever because I got the wrong year shifter lever, so I need to put that in, and the car should like be good to start. Just doing the long-term stuff, and I don't even know if the engine is still good. When I got the car, I was told it has head gasket issues, but when I was driving it while it was automatic, it wasn't that bad. And yeah, I wanted to sell it, but like the prices of E36s nowadays is crazy. So I'd rather just fix this shit and just get it up and running and just keep working at it, I guess. But I do want another E36, so it would just be nice to just have one to drive, and I'll just use this to drift and whatnot, whatever the case is, because drifting is one of my dream things to do. Drift on a track in tandem and compete. So I guess this would be this car, whatever the case is. But you have my friend's 36. This shit is nice. This shit is nice. You know, of course, you got the little dings and bings and dings and bats and all that, but overall, it has a lot of potential to be something even more great than what it is now. So yeah, but on my way to my next destination, and until I get the throttle cable, I guess this chapter is closed until the next time. Not even chapter, but until whatever. Ooh, look at that Bentley. It's crazy to see things like that in just close to your home. Like, where these cars be hiding? Rain is crazy right now. Rain is coming down like crazy right now. Damn, son. Hate the rain. Hate it. if you don't have a shop. Damn, son. Hasn't rained in a long time like this, though. So I've reached my destination. The members is out. We have a couple cars here. Doom's Garage, 240 built. Right now, we are prepping. We are prepping Kong's SC. We went to FD together last week, and yeah. So you're gonna see the color change. This is what it looks like right now. The process. It's all a learning thing, and we at 240 build right now. So come to 240 built and get your repairs done, your wheel finishing done, and all that kind of stuff. Got a nice little Mugen SI and 350Z and all that. But yeah, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. What's up, y'all? It's Washworks again, and my hands is getting dirty. I'm gonna have to do a crazy ass clean to these tonight. File these down, get these. This is bad. I should have been wearing gloves, but just now I just did a motor mount on my driver's side. I wanted to put this in, but for some reason this shit is so hard to like line up, man. I'm not with the shits right now. I'm not gonna be dealing with it, right? This is like something I'm gonna do when I have my other car, so I could just like take a break, not try to line it up again, because this shit, I don't know if they designed it wrong or what, but I mean, I could put pictures. I'm gonna put pictures in the video so y'all can see what I'm talking about, but it's just not lining up. It's just really just not lining up. This was the old driver's side mount. As you can see, this shit is cooked. This shit is very well cooked. All the other sides of the car got regular, got the same solid mounts as this, but they just fit. They fit for some reason. But this mount just ain't fit. Oh, it's about to rain. Oh no, just in time. But I got everything buttoned up except for the ground. So yeah, it's about to rain. Fuck. I hate the rain. As I said, I hate the rain. I hate the rain. I hate the rain, dog. But now is to attack this clutch pedal. I'm gonna take it out soon. I'm gonna take it out and show y'all what I'm talking about. So you'll see in the next clip. And yeah. Oh, we are primered now. We are primered now. We are primered now. Y'all gonna have to go on Kong's Instagram to see the official color. For shout outs to 240 built again for hosting this long awaited paint job. Shout out to BTDs finest himself. And friends. Doom's Garage and friends. Don't forget 240 built. Can't forget that. Right? Diagnostics, repairs, fabrications, detailing, rim finishing, auto sounds, specialty paint work, and that's what we getting done now. That's what we getting done now. But y'all gonna have to hit up Kong for the color, cause I ain't this once this color come up, I'm putting this shit in black and white. So y'all not seeing nothing. Word.
Washworks here.
What's up, y'all? And so right now, I got my clutch pedal, and a few months ago, I had created this. I bought this plate from Home Depot, and basically try to use this plate to reinforce the clutch pedal, right? I had a welder try to weld the clutch pedal back together until I can find a new one. But the welds had broken off. So there was a weld. Let's get a little closer. So there was a weld like right there, and as you can see, there's welds right there. But those welds broke off over time because, of course, my big feet, my size 14, and yeah. So I wanted to basically re-weld it back, but you can seldom find a welder if you don't, not prepared to like, use it or whatever the case is. And so instead, I just drilled a hole into the bracket and bolted the bolted this to the back of the thing. So hopefully it won't interfere in me bolting this back into the car. I mean, if anything, I can flip this and make it backwards because this head is slimmer. So we'll see what happens, but I need it to go to work tomorrow until I'm able to get a new clutch pedal. So yeah, I mean, if anything, I'll flip it right now because it would just make more sense since the head does look slimmer. But I don't know. I just really want this to stop breaking, but I'll get a new clutch pedal. This is just me trying to jig something together so I can get home. Changing the tire. Guys, got some course on. Yes, Tom. Alright, thank you. What's up, y'all? It's the next day. It's been long overdue, but the car feels alright. Still have the little sounds here and there. The clutch pedal feels good, but I just feel like it's just gonna do it again because it still has its weak points and all that. But yeah, I'm gonna just close out the video right here, and until next time.